go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff and you wanna be my friend.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. So today's video is full of some extreme cleaning motivation as I go through and clean my entire house, and I figured I would just bring you guys along with me and share all of this motivation with you guys to get you all motivated to get a few things done around your own home. But honestly, this felt so good to do. These are actually some of my favorite cleanings to do around our home, just because I can buckle down, get it all done in one swoop, and it's just one less thing that I have to do the following day. So it felt really good to get back into doing these kinds of cleanings. It's been a while, and yeah. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started and get some cleaning done.
Every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah.
So as you can see, I am starting out in our bedroom. I feel like it's our room or the kitchen that I start in the most, and today just happened to have been our bedroom. I don't know why, it's just something that I like to do. But there was not a ton to do in here. I just need to kind of pick a few things up. The bathroom was kind of a different story. But one thing that really helps in our bedroom is keeping the boys out of there with their toys. And I typically don't allow them in our room with their toys unless they're quickly to just take them right back out with them. Otherwise, their toys are just not allowed in our room. It's one thing that I don't really like to pick up in our bedroom just because it's a constant thing everywhere else. But honestly, the boys are pretty good at picking up after themselves. It's a learning process, a work in progress, and it probably always will be. But now I'm going to work on our bathroom, clean all the surfaces, and put everything away.
Else. Nah, man, I got it dealt. I'm working on my wealth and I'm working on my health. Keep on working to excel, cause I'm working on myself. Yeah, and y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know, yeah. And y'all don't even know I own, yeah. And now I'm ready taking over, cause every day I'm getting closer. Everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah.
So also, speaking of our bathroom, something that I am going to be putting on a priority list is doing a bathroom deep clean here in our bathroom. It's been something that I've been wanting to do for a while now, and I just haven't really had the time or motivation to do it. So I'm going to set all of that aside and just get it done, and I'll definitely be sharing it with you guys and giving you all the bathroom motivation you need. So with that said, also, if you are new to my channel, first of all, thank you so much for stopping by to watch today's video. I really hope you are enjoying it so far and it's got you up and cleaning right alongside with me. But if you enjoy content like this, be sure to subscribe down below. I share a ton of similar content with lots and lots of cleaning motivation, a little bit of decorating, some organization, and just everything in between. So if you enjoy that kind of content, be sure to subscribe before you leave here. Alright, so moving into Logan's room, I actually wanted to get this room, as he's closing the door on me, I wanted to get this room done far enough advance before their nap time, even though he's still in PJs. Do not judge us. It happens sometimes. But he's just going to be in here helping me clean up his room. He is actually a huge helper. He loves to help me clean, and I am all for it. It's actually really funny. Give him a minute and he's actually going to crawl up into the rocking chair and read one of his books. And it was seriously the cutest thing. He's pointing out all of the construction trucks. And listen for it, but you will hear him say excavator, and it is the funniest thing. Like, it is, Chris and I just laugh every time he says excavator. It's so cute. What is that? A bulldozer. Oh, there's, which one's the bulldozer? Yeah. Where's the forklift? That's the forklift. You turn the page.
What is this?
What is that? An excavator. Anyways, so cute. But this rocking chair, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I might just end up selling it, and I don't know. The fabric on it is kind of old. I bought it used, and I used it for Logan, but it kind of just got thrashed around in the move. It wasn't wrapped or anything, which I kind of wish we had wrapped it while we moved from California to here. So I don't know. I'm probably just gonna sell it. But anyways, moving into the boys' bathroom, it actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was. I just kind of came in here and cleaned up the things that needed to get cleaned up and wiped things down. Alright, so moving into the kitchen, I honestly wasn't too concerned about it because at this point in the day, it was actually going to be really close to getting dinner ready. And so I just wanted to come in here, wipe things down. But other than that, I really wasn't concerned about cleaning too much up in here. And it really wasn't in bad shape anyways for the first time in like forever because our kitchen is constantly a mess. But I'm just wiping things down, and then I'll move into where the kitchen table is, wipe the kitchen table down, and then the where we have the bench and the white chair. And actually, we just recently moved the house around. Originally, we had our 2 brown couches in where the fireplace was. We had the brown couches sitting in here where the fireplace is, and it was okay, but it was very crunched, and there was not a lot of space for the boys to actually play in here. And the TV was in here as well. So Chris and I decided to switch the rooms around. We moved the white chair in here from where the front room was, which you guys will see in a minute. And we moved the brown chairs into the front room, and it feels 100 times better. We absolutely love having the TV out of the kitchen area. We are not fans of having the TV on when we sit down and eat dinner, and we absolutely love how the setup turned out, like 1,000 times better. So it felt really good to move things around.
She anticipates no chance if you become prey. 2 stars in the darkest night, her crystal eyes fascinate. Her movements, she feels your heart beating, animal fear. Her beauty is unreal, just beat feet out of here.
If you wanna stay alive, if you don't wanna be her prey, don't stand in her way. Run, run, run away. Crystallize, 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 watching her prey. Crystallize, 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 fascinate.
And then I'm just going to go through the rest of the house and just do a quick vacuuming. I try and honestly vacuum once a day, if not every other day. It's something that I enjoy doing, and I just don't like tracking dirt around or crumbs around the rest of the house. But the only room I didn't actually go in and clean up was Colton's room, and that's only because I'm having them practice clean up after themselves on a more consistent basis. And so that's what they did today while I cleaned pretty much the rest of the house, was have them go into Colton's room and clean up their messes in there. And then the last but not least, I am going to come into the front room and put away the clothes that are already folded. And then I also do a vacuuming and wipe down in here. This room honestly was not as messy as it originally was. The boys actually cleaned up their mess before lunch, and it's such a good feeling. I love when they clean up after themselves. It takes a lot of motivation sometimes, but they do a pretty good job, I must say.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get me faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah.
Anyways, that's going to do it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed my whole house clean with me, and I gave you all some extreme cleaning motivation to get a few things done around your own home. But make sure you guys are subscribed before you leave here so you don't miss anything new, and I hope to see you in our next video. Bye.
When everybody thinks they know ya, and y'all don't even know I own ya, and now I'm ready taking over, 'cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya, and now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah.